take off.
Ariel, what are you doing?
I'm coloring.
Daddy's helping Yana.
This stuff smell bad.
I know.
This smell like you know what. Please don't spill this all over. Keep it in the bowl. This stuff stinks.
It's vinegar.
Chuck, smell like
Yeah.
what?
What?
Excuse me.
Hey, you want to eat your egg?
Ariel, what color are you dyeing your egg?
Red.
Red. That's a pretty color, Ariel.
Okay, Mama. What does yellow and red make? Orange?
Yes, orange.
Well, let's make orange.
Y'all switching?
Can I see the orange? Not the orange.
You want to see it or you want to touch it?
Yana.
Wait.
Yana, you making an Easter egg?
Where's the
Hold on,
orange?
hold on, hold on.
Fine, I want to touch it.
Do not spill it. Do not spill it. Come on. Get out. Go home.
Brian.
This eggs enough to spill it.
That's what the red thing's for.
Wipe your hands off. Where you,
Ew.
yeah, where your hands go stink. You have it right back?
What's on the banana?
That's it.
Here.
What you need now?
And that is Ariana's first Easter egg.
Yum.
And it's
I don't think you
beautiful.
make food coloring with vinegar, do you?
Yeah.
I don't know. It just smells strong. It smells like salad dressing. Hey.
Mommy, why are you doing spoon first? You can do it that spoon. Do it that
Ariel, what color are you making the egg now?
blue.
Blue now? So what colors you mixed?
Blue, red, and blue.
Okay.
Get yellow and red.
And look at Ariel's Easter egg for 2007. Say bye-bye, everybody.
No.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Hold up. We got one more to paint.
What's that, Sayana?
Ayana and Daddy.
Let's see, Ariana and Daddy.
Where do I put this egg? Put it.
Lay some more.
Put the egg right here. Right
You
here.
see it?
Let's show it. Yana.
And Daddy.
Let's see your Easter egg, Yana. Oh, look what you got.
I'm gonna.
Ariana, say bye-bye.
What?
Ariana,
Say bye-bye.
say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye, Yana. Ariana, say bye-bye. No, she wants to make another egg, Daddy.
Huh?
She wants to make another
You
egg.
made another egg, baby.
Okay.
Make more eggs, Mom.
Okay.